Alright, so here is my process for importing tractor. I'm going to unplug the S2, or S4, sorry, and load tractor, and go over and import the Midi Fighter, which is already in there, but I'm going to do it again using the large import button. Whoops, not export, I want import. And I'm going to go to downloads where it is, over here, and select the focus mapping. Open that bad boy, hit OK. Alright, so it should all be in there, but I'm going to import again to be safe. Go back to downloads, load the focus one again, and open, hit OK, and so it's scratched, and we got Midi Fighter Pro and Midi Fighter Pro Deck IG one. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to switch this from all ports to Midi Fighter Pro, Midi Fighter Pro, and then go down to this one and hit Midi Fighter Pro, Midi Fighter Pro. Alright, so you can't see, but the top one says the keyboarding, the generic keyboard setting, and then the other ones are the Beat Masher and the IG generic MIDI. Alright, so I'm going to close out of that. Make sure it saves all the settings there for me. Alright, so now I'm going to close tractor. What the heck, right? Let that save the settings. And I'm going to plug in the S4. That's in there, and I'm going to restart tractor. Okay. And go back to the settings and add in the controller S4, which actually is showing up in there right now, but I'm going to go ahead and add it anyways just to make sure. I'm going to go to tractor S4 and default. And now that should work, right? That's what you'd think. So let's select a track. I'm just going to grab the first one there and load it in deck A. And press play. Oh, play doesn't work. What else is new? Alright, so the Midi Fighter's in. Let's press play on that. Okay, so that works, but all you hear is bass. And see how this filter is all the way to the left? Alright, start the track back over. Alright, so let's unplug the Midi Fighter. Oh, and it works just fine. Alright, watch me. I'll plug the Midi Fighter back in, and watch the filter go all the way to the left. There you go. Yep. Every time. Not to mention the play button on the S4 is not working. So let's stop the track. We'll go over to settings again one last time, and I will add in tractor S4 default one more time. Alright, and I got the ports all set. Control, Midi Fighter, Midi Fighter. I now have the Control S4 in there 3 times. Close out of this. Play the track. Hey, now that works. But as you can tell, filter all the way to the left. If I wiggle the filter knob on the S4, it somewhat works. Let go of it, back to normal. Pushing buttons on the Midi Fighter. None of the Beat Masher things work all that much. Maybe a little bit. Yeah. Some of them work, some of them don't. Got me. So at least the S4 is working. And works perfectly when the Midi Fighter is not plugged in. Again, Midi Fighter plugged in, not working.